The Turkish Republic has marked a significant naval milestone. On May 29, 2025, the nation launched its newest submarine. This vessel is named TCG Muratreis with the pennant number S332. The launching ceremony took place at the Gölcük Naval Shipyard. This facility is a cornerstone of Turkey's naval construction capabilities. The Turkish Defense Industry Agency, or SSB, officially announced this important event. The launch signifies progress in Turkey's ongoing efforts to modernize its naval forces and enhance its underwater warfare capabilities, reflecting a dedicated push towards greater maritime strength and technological advancement in the defense sector. TCG Muratreis is the third submarine in Turkey's Reis-class. These submarines are a crucial component of the Turkish Navy's development plans. The introduction of Muratreis into the fleet represents another step forward. It showcases Turkey's commitment to building a formidable submarine force. The Reis-class submarines are designed to replace older vessels. They will significantly upgrade the Navy's operational capacity. This new submarine will join its sister ships, TCG Muratreis and TCG Muratreis. The fleet expansion is carefully planned to bolster national security and maritime interests effectively and sustainably over the coming decades. The Reis-class submarines are a Turkish variant of the German Type 214 design. This specific version is designated as Type 214 TN. These are diesel-electric attack submarines. They are engineered for high performance in challenging underwater environments. Their design incorporates advanced stealth features, making them difficult to detect by enemy forces. The submarines are intended for a variety of missions, including anti-surface warfare, anti-submarine warfare, intelligence gathering, and special operations support. Their adaptability makes them a valuable asset for diverse operational scenarios that the Turkish Navy might encounter in its areas of operation. Following its launch, TCG Muratreis has now officially entered the next critical phase. This phase involves comprehensive testing and rigorous sea trials. These trials are essential to verify all systems and performance parameters. The submarine is scheduled for formal commissioning into the Turkish Navy in 2026. Once commissioned, it will become an active operational unit. The period of trials ensures that the vessel meets all stringent naval requirements. This meticulous process guarantees its readiness for deployment. The crew will also undergo intensive training during this period to familiarize themselves thoroughly with the new platform's advanced systems and operational procedures. The Reis-class submarines possess notable technical specifications. They have an approximate length of 68.3 meters. Their beam measures around 6.3 meters. When submerged, they have a displacement of about 2,000 tons. These submarines are capable of diving to depths exceeding 400 meters, which allows them to operate effectively in deep water environments. Furthermore, they can achieve underwater speeds of more than 20 knots. These specifications underscore the robust engineering and design of the Type 214 TN platform. Their size and capabilities are optimized for operations in both littoral and open ocean waters, providing versatility. A critical feature of the Reis-class is its air-independent propulsion, or AIP system. This system utilizes proton exchange membrane, or PEM, fuel cell technology. The AIP system allows the submarine to operate submerged for extended durations. It can remain underwater for up to 20 days without the need to snorkel. This significantly enhances its stealth characteristics. The reduced need to surface minimizes the risk of detection. The AIP technology also contributes to a very low acoustic signature, making the Reis-class submarines exceptionally quiet and difficult to track, a crucial advantage in modern naval warfare. In terms of armament, the Reis-class submarines are formidably equipped. Each submarine has 8 533mm torpedo tubes. These tubes can launch heavyweight torpedoes, such as the domestically produced Roketsan Akia torpedo. The submarines can also deploy UGM-84 Harpoon anti-ship missiles. Future armament integrations are planned, including Turkey's indigenous Atmaca anti-ship missile and the Gezgin long-range land attack cruise missile. Additionally, these vessels possess the capability to lay naval mines, further expanding their tactical operational scope and threat projection. The Reis-class submarines feature sophisticated combat systems and sensors. They are equipped with an advanced integrated combat management system, or CMS. This CMS was jointly developed by Turkish companies Havelsan and STM. The sensor suite is comprehensive, including flank array sonars and other active-passive sonar systems. The submarines also have electronic support measures, or ESM, and electronic intelligence, or ELINT, capabilities. Modern navigation tools, including inertial navigation systems and GPS-assisted systems, ensure precise maneuvering and positioning. These integrated systems provide superior situational awareness and combat effectiveness for the crew. The Reis-class submarines are being developed under Turkey's new Type Submarine Project, or YTNM. The contract for this ambitious project was signed on July 2, 2009. The agreement was between the Turkish Undersecretariat for Defence Industries, now known as the SSB, and a German consortium. This consortium included Hivolkswerke Deutsche Werft GmbH, or HDW, a part of ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems, and Marine Force International LLP. The project, valued at approximately €2.06 billion, officially entered into force on June 22, 2011. This strategic partnership aims to enhance Turkey's submarine capabilities significantly. The YTNM project involves the construction of 6 Reis-class submarines. All 6 vessels are being built at the Gölcük Naval Shipyard in Turkey. This highlights the nation's growing domestic shipbuilding capacity. A crucial aspect of the project is the gradual transfer of technology from Germany to Turkey. This technology transfer is instrumental in building local expertise. It allows Turkish engineers and technicians to gain valuable knowledge and skills in submarine construction and systems integration. This process is vital for Turkey's long-term goals of achieving greater self-sufficiency in defense production and fostering a robust national defense industrial base. The project emphasizes significant domestic industrial participation. Numerous Turkish defense companies are making substantial contributions. Key players include Aselsan, Havelsan, STM, Ajesas, TÜBİTAK, Koksavunma, and Milsoft. These companies are responsible for developing and supplying critical systems. These systems encompass the combat management system, sensor integration, electronic warfare suites, data processing units, and command and control architecture. This extensive involvement of local industry not only boosts the Turkish economy, but also strengthens its defense technological and industrial base, reducing reliance on foreign suppliers for essential components and expertise. The Reis-class fleet is steadily taking shape. TCG Muratreis S330, the lead boat of the class, was commissioned on August 24, 2024. The second boat, TCG Muratreis S331, was launched in May 2023 and is expected to be commissioned by the end of 2025. TCG Muratreis S332, the third vessel, was launched on May 29, 2025, with commissioning planned for 2026. 3 more submarines are currently under construction: TCG Aydin Reis S333, TCG Seydi Ali Reis S334, and TCG Selman Reis S335. The Turkish Navy aims for the entire class to achieve full operational capability by the year 2029. The introduction of Reis-class submarines significantly enhances Turkey's naval capabilities. These modern submarines bolster the operational strength of the Turkish Navy. They also improve its deterrence posture in key maritime regions, including the Eastern Mediterranean, the Aegean Sea, and the Black Sea. The advanced features of the Reis-class provide strategic depth, which is particularly important in contested maritime environments. The ability of these submarines to operate covertly for extended periods allows Turkey to project power more effectively and safeguard its maritime interests with greater assurance and flexibility. Submarines inherently offer an asymmetric advantage in naval warfare. The Reis-class, with its advanced AIP technology and stealth characteristics, amplifies this advantage for the Turkish Navy. Their quiet operation and long submerged endurance make them potent platforms for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. They can also effectively deny access to strategic choke points or areas. This capability is crucial for maintaining a favorable maritime security balance in a complex geopolitical region. The Reis-class submarines are therefore a significant addition to Turkey's array of naval assets, contributing to regional stability through credible deterrence. Looking beyond the Reis-class, Turkey is also advancing its Milden program. Milden stands for Milli Denizaltı, meaning national submarine. This ambitious initiative aims to develop an entirely indigenous class of AIP-powered submarines. The construction of the first Milden-class submarine reportedly began on January 2, 2025. This work is also being undertaken at the Golkuk Naval Shipyard. The operational deployment of the first Milden submarine is targeted for the 2030s. This program represents a major leap towards complete self-sufficiency in submarine design and construction for Turkey, a testament to its growing technological prowess. The Reis-class project and the Milden initiative together underscore Turkey's long-term vision. This vision is focused on achieving strategic autonomy in defense. There is a strong emphasis on fostering indigenous defense innovation. Turkey is committed to building a technologically advanced and self-reliant defense infrastructure. These submarine programs are key milestones in this strategic journey. By developing and producing such complex naval platforms domestically, Turkey aims to reduce its dependence on foreign technology and suppliers. This pursuit of self-reliance is a core tenet of its national security and defense policy for the coming decades.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow. Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.